Okay, for tonight's homework, I'm going to have you look at this example, write down the 5 words, and then I'm going to show you one to try. And based on the one you're trying, just show me what you think the 3 answers are. So if you show me on Monday that you wrote down all 5 words, and for the next example, I'm going to have you try. If you get those right with the 3 answers, you'll get full credit. So here we go. First word is purple, purple. All right, for this one, they want you to look at a line, be able to get that slope, and then know all these properties we're going to be going over. Parallel, same slope. Perpendicular, opposite reciprocal slope. And then neither is going to be not the same slope nor negative reciprocal slope, just something different. So here we go. First thing, you need to be able to find the slope of a line. So looking at this line, connecting any 2 points on this line and counting boxes, I'm going to go from this point to this one right here. Looks like I'm going straight across 3, but then going down 1. Be real careful. People, when they see that, they write the slope as 3 over -1 because that top number is on top and the bottom. Nope. That slope, if you look at it precisely, the run is 3 and the up or down rise is -1. So that slope of this line is -1 over 3. Any equation down there with that same -1/3 slope and a different y-intercept, of course. This is touching the y-axis up here at 5. This is 3. This is what we're going to be called parallel. Parallel. Same slope, that -1/3 in front of x, but different y-intercept. And of course, if you got the wrong slope, you won't be able to see that's parallel, or if we didn't explain to you that parallel lines have the same number in front of x, you might be confused. Next, perpendicular. Perpendicular is a little different. Perpendicular is opposite reciprocal, which means opposite, flip-flopping the number 3 to the top, -1 to the bottom. But after you do that, opposite of what that was. This fraction is a negative quantity fraction. So the opposite is going to be a positive quantity fraction. It doesn't mean make the negative +1 and then move the negative up here. That's not what that means. That would be the same negative value. Opposite reciprocal. Not only the reciprocal, but the opposite. If it was negative, the opposite positive. If it was positive, the opposite would be negative. So the one that has the 3x, which is opposite reciprocal, we call this perpendicular. Not the same slope in front of x like parallel, but the opposite flip-flop reciprocal, the flip-flop of -1/3 opposite. And then, of course, if you look at 1/3 right there, -1/3, if I just do opposite, that is neither. That really doesn't do anything for you. That would be the neither choice. Because again, if I did a slope of 1/3, that's not parallel. Let me show you what a parallel line looks like. Parallel line has the same slope of over 3 down 1, but a different y-intercept. That's parallel right there. Second word is blue. Blue. If I did a perpendicular from the point 1, that would be a over 1 up 3, over 1 up 3, over 1 up 3 is exactly a 90-degree perpendicular. And of course, if I just do start at 2 and go over 1 up 3, over 1 up 3, that's really not doing anything for me. That's just crisscrossing that line. So no, that blue one, neither, just crisscrossing. The green one, parallel, same slope, different y-intercept. And then that red one is perpendicular. Second word, if I didn't say it already, is red. Red. What I'd like you to do is try this. Write down the fourth word, which is blue, of course. And then write the answer is either parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Parallel have the same slope. Perpendicular, opposite, reciprocal. Neither, just opposite. Remember, perpendicular, 90-degree angle. Parallel, same slope, different y-intercept. And then, of course, if it's just opposite, crisscrossing, neither parallel nor perpendicular. But you need to find the slope of this line connecting any 2 points. Looks like I'm going way over and down. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Third word is fish. If I didn't say a third word already. Good luck.